Welcome to tutorial info. In this video, I'm going to show you how to invert the y-axis in the mini world CREATA game. First, I'll show you what an inverted y-axis looks like. Let's enter one of the worlds. And as you can see, when you scroll up, the camera goes down. When you scroll down, the camera goes up. This means your y-axis is inverted. You can do that in settings, and under control, you can see invert y-axis. If we disable it, you can now see scrolling down gets us down, up goes up. And that's it for this video. If this video helped you, please consider subscribing, leave a like and a comment down below.